you're trying to sign in myGov and they gave you this error which say your sign in details are incorrect, RFM10A. Now in this tutorial, I will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully. Now, ensure you aren't connected to any VPN. A lot of people who were connected to VPN were facing this issue a lot. So make sure you're not connected to any VPN. Also, if you're not connected to any VPN but are still facing again the same issue, now try sign in to myGov with another browser to check if the issue is browser specific. Maybe if you're using Chrome, try to switch to another browser like Edge or just any other browser that is available on your device. Now, switching to another browser but still facing again the same issue, now try another internet connection, such as connecting to your mobile hotspot or mobile data. So try another internet connection, such as connecting to your mobile hotspot or mobile data. If this doesn't also work, now try another device if possible. So you can try to switch to another device. Maybe if you're on your phone, try to sign in on your PC or just any other device that is available. Now, if it all fails, I highly advise you to call myGov and have them release your email address. Then you have to relink all your service again. Now, to contact myGov, the link will be available on the description, or you can just go on Google and search for myGov contact details. Come to this page here and you'll be able to contact them using this available information that is provided here. So this is the best guide on how to fix this issue which say myGov error RFM10A. Make sure to follow these instructions very carefully, and I hope you'll be able to resolve this issue.